Master the art of prediction in English comprehension. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're going to dive deep into a very important listening comprehension strategy, making predictions. This process is not only crucial to understanding English but is a vital part of everyday communication and critical thinking. So, let's get started. Making predictions involves foreseeing what will happen next based on the information presented. It's about putting together the clues given to you in a sentence, paragraph, conversation, or story, and guessing what might occur in the future. Think about it this way. If you see dark clouds gathering in the sky, you'd probably predict it's going to rain, right? That's a prediction. You've made a reasonable guess based on the evidence presented. Similarly, when listening to or reading English, we often need to predict what will come next to fully understand the message being conveyed. Now, you might be wondering, why is making predictions so important in English language comprehension? Well, there are a few key reasons for this. 1. Enhances understanding. Making predictions helps you understand and process the information you're hearing or reading more effectively. By actively anticipating what's coming next, you're engaging your brain in a more profound way and becoming more immersed in the material. 2. Improves active listening. Making predictions forces you to be an active listener or reader rather than a passive one. You're not just absorbing the words. You're thinking about them and their potential implications. 3. Develops critical thinking skills. Making predictions is a fundamental aspect of critical thinking. It requires you to analyze the information you have, make connections, and then extrapolate from that. 4. Boosts engagement. Lastly, making predictions can make reading or listening more engaging and fun. It's like you're solving a mystery, using the clues given to you to guess what will happen next. Let's go over a few examples to understand this better. If you're listening to a dialogue where one character says, "I've been studying all night for this test, and I think I've got the material down," you might predict that the character is going to do well on the test. In a news report, if you hear, "The government has announced a new policy to reduce carbon emissions," you could predict that the report will discuss the effects of this policy on the environment or the economy. Remember, your predictions won't always be correct, and that's okay. The goal is to stay active and engaged, enhancing your comprehension skills. That's all for today's lesson on making predictions in English language comprehension. Remember, this is a key skill that can really help you enhance your understanding and fluency in English. So, practice it regularly while listening to English conversations, news, podcasts, or while reading. Thank you for joining us in this session, and remember, keep practicing and stay curious. See you in the next video.